Good evening, everyone. This is Barry Fair here at nearly 7:25. Thanks for joining me here. Well, finally, we're getting some rain and a thunderstorm, but will it break the drought? Let me know down below. Well, it's come to that time of the week, guys, where I bring you the week in review. As always, here on the show. And my last topic this week is chicken schnitzel. Now, who loves chicken schnitzel for dinner? Let me know down below. Chicken schnitzel sounds lovely with some mashed potato and green beans, and you can serve that. If you haven't got time to crumb your chicken like beating eggs and milk and then preparing your breading station, then you can be lazy for once and buy some store-bought chicken schnitzel and you can bake it or fry it. It's up to you. And leftover chicken schnitzel, guys, is perfect for lunch. The next day you can have it on a sandwich or in a wrap with some lettuce and soy-free mayonnaise. There was so much chicken schnitzel tonight. I'm going to have some for lunch tomorrow in a wrap and maybe some tomato sauce or soy-free mayonnaise. Yum. Oh, so let me know what you think of a leftover chicken schnitzel and lettuce and soy-free mayo wrapped toasted down below. Also on the last video of the week, the working week, I will be talking about how to stay calm. If things aren't going your way, guys, don't get upset. Take a deep breath. Take some time out from your work. Go for a walk up to the coffee shop or something. Get something for lunch or morning tea or just take some fresh air out of the office. Because sitting in front of a computer all day can be very stressful, especially when you've got a lot of paperwork to do and all that business. And it can strain your eyes as well looking at a computer screen all day, especially if you come in at 7 o'clock in the morning and you've got dozens of emails to go through and you haven't had time to check them yet. I'm pretty sure that is a pretty daunting task if you ask me. Another way of releasing your stress and all of that is go down to the beach, grab a towel, a portable radio with some spare batteries, kick off your shoes and socks, wiggle your toes, and take a book with you to read as well. Find a nice quiet place at the beach where no one can disturb you and switch off your mobile phone or put it on vibrate. and the person trying to ring you and you're trying to get some peace during the day, they can leave a message and they can call you back later, or you can give them a call when you get home. Another way is having a nice hot shower to get rid of the stress levels, okay, and having a nice cup of tea and something nice and hot to eat, like a chicken schnitzel, lettuce and mayo wrap, like I've just mentioned at the beginning of the video. And also, if you are stressed, don't take your anger out on anybody. Tell them him or her what the problem is. And another thing, going somewhere nice and quiet, sitting with the door shut and lying on your bed, having a rest, reading a nice book, that sort of thing. And having a couple of relaxation CDs will help calm you down if you've had a pretty stressful day at the office and you've had people ringing you for non-emergencies and you just haven't had time to sit down and have a rest. And to conclude this video tonight, if you have a bath, put some chamomile oil or lavender oil in the water and soak yourself in the bath, okay? And make sure that the water is not too hot, okay? Don't stay in there too long, okay? Then what you do after you bath, okay? Go and have a sit down and write down some things that help you relax. Make a couple of phone calls to your friends, etc. Invite them around for a cup of tea or something. And even if you're not working at the weekend, you can even invite them around for lunch. Take them out somewhere. Go down to the beach. Take a picnic basket. And as I always say at the end of each video, treat each, treat each other with respect, kindness, and show them that you can. And if there is a problem, don't raise your voice. Tell them, him or her, what the problem is without going like blowing up like a firework or going off like a firework is the expression I'm looking for. And that's my week of videos for you for this week. Thanks for your company this week on the show. And Alana, if you are watching, I hope you feel better, mate. Hope to see you back at 10 times on Tuesday. And from me, Barry Fair, I hope you have a great weekend. And I will see you on Monday for a brand new week of videos. Until then, have a good weekend, everybody. Good night. See you on Monday. Good night. And remember, don't drink and drive, or otherwise you know what will happen. Bang! And don't go, bang! Or use your mobile phone or go, bang! Good night.